Hi everybody, today I want to talk about formatting data tables in MyOpenMath to export. The purpose of this is to write questions in MyOpenMath that are easy for students and copy and paste into things like Excel, Desmos, Minitab, etc. The idea is that you go into MyOpenMath and you find a problem that you want. This one says find the median for a list of numbers. What I want you to notice is that if I copy these numbers and try to paste them into Desmos, it puts them in as ordered pairs and it creates a scatter plot, which doesn't help us find the median. This does look a little better in Excel. If I paste in here, it does come out a little small, but I can enlarge the font and then type equals median and highlight all the cells to get the median value of 45.5, which we can confirm by hitting the key. But if you want to be able to have students export into Desmos or Minitab, we just need to change the format of the question slightly. So when you're formatting the question, you really have two choices. You can hit edit and edit the code. It might say edit your personal copy, which is fine, or you can choose to template the problem. When you template the problem, it gives you all of the code and then you can make any changes and not worry about messing up somebody's original problem. What you're looking for in any of the problems is how is the table displaying. So when I go to the question text, it says find the median for this list of numbers and it has a variable D. Variable D back in the common control shows this data array and it says V2. The 2 tells it how many columns to have. So I'm simply going to change that to 1. Let's do a quick save and preview. Now I have a singular list. This time I can highlight the entries in the list, copy them. Now let's go back to Desmos and paste. This put the 25 elements in a list. I can name that list. And then I could calculate the median. This time it says the median is 56. Going back to the problem, we hit the key and we verify that's the right answer. Having this singular list is really the goal. The list could get long depending on how many data elements you decide to have in your list. So I'll add another video in the future that shows how to add a button that can open and close to either hide or display the data. Once you know you are happy with the problem that you templated, you say save. Then you want to add the question to your assessment using defaults. Notice that this gives me a new number to the problem. Before it was 1445280, now it's 1445359. So this is a new distinct problem that has the 1 column instead of 2.